Top 15 Most Valuable Things in the World. Never complain about what you pay for something if it's exactly what you're looking for. At least, that's what our buyers on this list seem to think. They're betting on the most valuable items on the world. I'm sure they have a reason for doing so, beyond ostentation. We invite you to discover it. Join us until the end of the video. The first place will surprise you. Number 15. A sheepdog for $20,254. This sheepdog has sold at auction for almost $23,000. It sets a new British record price according to auctioneers. 16-month-old Cap, bred in County Donegal, was sold at a sale in Skipton, North Yorkshire. The previous owner, Padraig Dowtrey, said the price was much higher than expected. The town's auctioneer said dogs sold for about $2,000. Anonymous buyer from Northern Ireland, buyer the sheepdog. Cap will work on a farm, a spokesman for the auctioneer said. The high price was because of Cap being very well bred. Also, it's related to a champion sheepdog. Number 14. Clump of hair of Elvis Presley for $115,212. They sold a presumed clump of hair trimmed from Elvis Presley's head when he joined the Army in 1958. Its value was $15,000 at a Chicago auction house. The buyer of the hair paid $15,000 plus a more $3,300 in auction house fees. Other items on sale included scarves and photos from the reception of Presley's 1967 wedding, and Christmas cards he sent, plus lots of records. Elvis dolls and Elvis Pez dispensers numbered among the memorabilia. All the items had belonged to the late Gary Pepper, who ran a fan club and was a friend. Number 13. A pair of sneakers for $139,000. Remember when sneakers were for running or being comfortable? Even many luxury establishments forbade their visitors to wear them indoors. But now we are in front of what are the most expensive sneakers in the world. The Italian luxury sneaker firm Buscemi is responsible. The diamond sneaker costs $139,000. They are inlaid with 11.5 carat diamonds and 18 karat gold. If you want to buy them, you must travel to the official store of the brand that has opened in the heart of Soho, New York. If you're going to go running to get there, put on your more modest sneakers one last time. Number 12. The King's Journey by Louis XII. Cognac for $142,247. This cognac has managed to be the most expensive yet. A bottle of this brandy was auctioned in New York through Sotheby's auction house. Baptiste Louis created it with a selection of the oldest aide de vue of Louis XIII. Besides, it is contained in a trunk signed by Hermes and handmade with special leathers and 4 glasses from the St. Louis Glassworks. They have different maps of 19th century North America engraved on them. If you want to bid on one of these exclusive bottles, maybe you'll have the opportunity to do so. They follow auctioning bottles in cities like Hong Kong or London. Number 11. Hermes Birkin bag for $317,000. It is one of the most exclusive and desired accessories in the world, especially for celebrities. A Birkin bag from the French firm Hermes, because one of its most expensive items ever. It was after an Asian citizen paid $317,000 for it at a Christie's auction house. The item has Himalayan crocodile skin with diamonds encrusted, and it shows 18 karat white gold in its buckle. Number 10. Marilyn Monroe dress for $1.27 million. Marilyn Monroe wore it May 1962 to sing "Happy Birthday, Mr. President" to John F. Kennedy. And then they sold the legendary sheer crystal embezzled dress for a record-breaking $4.8 million. This edged out the previous most expensive dress ever sold at auction. It was Monroe's white costume from The 7-Year Itch, which sold for $4.6 million in 2011. Ripley's Believe It or Not bought the Happy Birthday dress intended to display it at one of their museums. This is the most iconic piece of pop culture there is, Ripley's Vice President Edward Mayer said. Number 9. One-of-a-kind album for $1.7 million. The leader of the New York band Wu-Tang Clan, fed up with piracy, decided to record a double CD with 31 songs. He developed it for 6 years. Also, he accompanied it by a 174-page leather-bound book to make it the most precious in history. The reason? It cannot be published commercially for 88 years. There is only one copy, and anyone can distribute freely. Once Upon a Time in Shaolin was auctioned off and purchased by controversial pharmacist Martin Shkreli. Who could blame him for having such a brilliant idea to fight piracy and not seeming nasty? Number 8. Mark McGwire's 70th home run ball for $2.7 million. St. Louis Cardinals slugger Mark McGwire set the single-season record with 70 home runs. It was during the 1998 Major League Baseball season. Shortly after McGwire launched that historic home run, comic book artist Todd McFarlane purchased the baseball for almost $3 million. It turns out that wasn't the greatest investment. Today, several sports memorabilia auction houses estimate that McGwire's home run ball may be worth as little as $250,000. This is because McGwire's single-season home run record has since been broken. San Francisco Giants slugger Barry Bonds set the current single-season home run record with 73 home runs during the 2001 season. Number 7. Teapot for $3 million. The beautiful Holly Golightly, Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's, wouldn't go to breakfast every morning in the window of the luxury Tiffany's jewelry store if she had it. This teapot is encrusted with 1,658 white diamonds, 386 rubies, and a large 6.67 carat ruby that crowns the Egoist, named after the teapot because it only holds a single cup of tea. So, if you buy it to show off to your friends, you better invite them over for coffee. Number 6. F1 car for $29 million. The Einsiedler Mercedes-Benz W196 was driven by the Argentinian driver who won in 1954 in Switzerland and Germany. It was sold in July 2013 in England and becomes the most expensive car in the world. In this legendary Mercedes-Benz W196, Formula One champion Juan Manuel Fangio won his second title in 1954. The selling was the record for a car at auction. The single-seater was purchased by an unknown buyer. The seller organized the bidding to coincide with the Goodwood Festival Speed in Chichester, southern England. Number 5. Leonardo da Vinci Notebook for $30,800,000. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates is known to be an avid reader, and his home library is filled with rare books selected by a professional book dealer. In 1994, he purchased Leonardo da Vinci's Codex Leicester, a manuscript that dates back to the 16th century. Written between the years of 1506 and 1510, the 72-page notebook provides a rare glimpse inside Da Vinci's mind, complete with sketches, diagrams, and early iterations of ideas. Currently, it's on view at the Minneapolis Institute of Arts. Number 4. Violin Stradivari for $45 million. The price for the McDonald Strat would have been a record for any musical instrument sold or at auction. The top price was $15.9 million for a musical instrument in 2011 sale of the 1721 Lady Blunt Stradivarius violin. It was sold by the Nippon Music Foundation, which used the proceeds to aid victims of Japan's 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The McDonald, crafted by Antonio Stradivari in 1719, was named for the third Baron Macdonald, Godfrey Bosville, who acquired it in the 1820s. About 600 instruments made by the Cremonese master survives, but only 10 are violas. Number 3. Caroe diamond for $63 million. 813 carats, 6 centimeters, and $63 million. This is the most expensive diamond in the world. Extracted from the Caroe mine, Botswana, the Constellation, a company based in Dubai, acquired the gem. Its price could have been exceeded this summer by Lesedi La Rana, but the bid made by Sotheby's did not find a buyer. If you hurry up, you can make a good impression on your better half. Number 2. Pink Star Diamond for $83 million. The Pink Star, a 59.6 carat pink diamond, is the most expensive in the world. Sotheby's auctioned it in Geneva for $83 million. It is an intense pink diamond, oval-shaped and free of impurities. It is also the largest offered so far with these characteristics of color and purity. It is twice the size of the Graf Pink, classified among others in Category 3 of pink diamond colors. The Pink Star first appeared in public in 2003 under the name Steinmetz Pink in Monaco. It was also part of the exhibition of the 7 most important diamonds in the world. Number 1. A Walking Man for $104.3 million. L'Homme Qui Marche is the Giacometti's most iconic figure and became the most expensive object ever sold at auction. It is one of 6 casts made by the sculptor in 1961. 3 others are in public collectors, and the other 2 unlikely to appear on the market in the future. The record-breaking sculpture came to Sotheby's from the Dresden Bank in Germany. Its sale piped Pablo Picasso's 1881 to 1973 Rose-Period Garçon à la Pipe, which sold for $93 million at Sotheby's New York in May 2004. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave us a like down below and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos.